And if we go onto Google Maps here, we can actually see, so there's the 3 towers there. Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the Investing Boss channel. So the video that I did sharing the third Dubai property that I've invested in using the Stake platform has had a few thousand views now. So I thought, well, if that video has been popular, why not share the 10th property that I've invested in using Stake? We'll go through a virtual tour, then we'll go through what kind of returns I'm expecting to make from this investment, and then finally I'll share with you how much money I've actually invested in this property. Before we get into the video though, please do join the Investing Boss Facebook group if you're not yet a member. As usual, the link will be down in the description. But having said that, getting on the laptop then, I thought I'd start with this overhead view of the apartment. So this is a 2-bed apartment in Burj Views, downtown Dubai. Now, Burj Views is actually a 3-tower development, and this apartment is located in Tower C. So there's actually 3 buildings which are classed as the Burj View buildings, basically. So we can see here, this is the entrance, and we'll go through this in first person in a second. But you come in and you've got a toilet there in on the left for guests there. And then coming through after the entrance, you've got the kitchen on the left-hand side. You've got the living room there at the end, and then you've got this area here, which could be used as a dining room or is actually being used as a prayer room there. So yeah, depending on what you want to use that for, there's a nice open space there. But if we go back the way we came here, you can actually see that this is split off into 2 separate areas. So I'm guessing that this could be rented out as 2 separate rooms, not just you have to rent the whole apartment. Now, we can go into this first one, and you've got a separate door, keeping the ensuite bathroom completely separate there. Or the second one, again, you have a door here, just completely separating it off from the rest of the apartment. And then you've got your own, again, bathroom and bedroom there. But going into the first person view, you got the front door there. And then as you come in on the left-hand side, you've got the guest toilet there. Then if we go through to the back, I should say the front here, got the kitchen here, which we can go ahead and take a look at. So some units there at the side, all the usual kitchen stuff, you know, cooking area, fridge and whatnot. And then we got this nice little hole here for serving food through, which I thought was quite cool. Kind of brings in the living room with the kitchen there. So if you were in the kitchen, you could still chat to people there in the living room. Then if we go back through here, can actually take a look of the living room here, and we've got a couple of balconies here actually, which again I think this is quite useful for using it as the double apartment, basically like 2 separate rooms to rent, because one person could have this balcony here and the other person could have the other one. So I'll show you what the other one looks like. So literally we just need to go over to this side here. And this is the second balcony, not quite as neat as the other one. There's just a few boxes here and not anywhere to sit or anything. But there's the view that you would have from either balcony, basically. Can't actually see the Burj Khalifa from here. And the tower is called Burj Khalifa View. So I'm not sure, or Burj Views. So I'm not sure where the view is there, but there isn't one in this instance. But if we go back here, and we go and take a look at the bedrooms, then we'll start with this further one at the back here. And this is what I meant. You actually have this separate door with a lock there, and you can see there, key in there, ready to lock it up. And we'll just go ahead and jump back here so I can show you what this looks like. So here we go, back bedroom here, nice little space with the window. And then you've got the ensuite bathroom here, which we can take a look at. Bath, shower, toilet, very nice indeed. And then we'll go ahead and look at the second or the first bedroom, depending on which way you want to call it. But yeah, again, very similar size there. And I think, yes, this also has a bath, but no separate shower actually. You have the shower there, but it's it's bath and shower in one. Not like the second one where the shower was completely separate. But now we've had that tour of the apartment, let's now go through why I've invested in this property and how much money I've put into it. So we can see here, total price £438,000 and some change there. And it's currently 56% funded. So it's £226,000 available left to invest in this. 287 investors have taken part so far, me obviously being one of them. 53 days left, so this has only been on the site for about a week now. But here's what I really like about it. Annualized return, it's around that sort of 10% rate that we're seeing as a common guidance here on average with the stake platform. Some will yield more than that. You'll get like 15, 17% off some, and then others you may only get sort of 6, 7% return. But I think that 10% average is a really good figure to go off there. And you can see here from the rental income, projected net yield, so that is the amount of money after all the costs, getting 6.21% paid to you each month. Well, it's a yearly per annum, but it's paid to you. The interest is paid to you each month there with regards to the rental payments. This is a rental property, so it's not a holiday home. That's why it says rented there. Occupied and professionally managed by the team. And there is a 1-year rental guarantee on this, so you will get paid dividends or rental income each month for at least a year after this sale completes here on the stake platform. You can play around with these calculators here and see what kind of money you would put in, what kind of money you'd get back, and all that good stuff. And as I mentioned earlier, Burjviews is a residential complex comprising of 3 towers, 38 stories, and a podium. And if we go onto Google Maps here, we can actually see. So there's the 3 towers there. And it is very, very close. So there's the Burj Khalifa and all the downtown area here. So Dubai Mall there. You could literally, if you wanted to, you could actually walk to Dubai Mall. I don't think it would take long. And yeah, you got the Burj Khalifa Lake and all the nice sort of attractions and everything that Dubai has to offer. Dubai Opera House there. There's just so much going on. It's a really, really nice central location. And, if you wanted the beach as well, the beach is not very far away at all. Now, if we jump onto portfolio there, you can see number of properties, 10. And yes, this is my 10th property. And then we can scroll down, and quite a few of these have not yet completed. So I'm waiting for 10 investments to complete. It says 10 there because a few are multiple investments into one property. So I've got 3 completed here, and then, 7 others here. But that's the one there, 2-bed in Burjviews, downtown Dubai. And I've actually invested £113 there and expecting to get 50 pence per month from the rental income. Now, very soon I'll be doing a complete portfolio update on stake with all these properties completed and all the rental income coming in. I'll show you exactly what that looks like here on the channel. So, of course, check that video out if you're interested. It'll be up on the channel around the end of June. Please do tap the like button if you've enjoyed this video. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.